I'm excited about this one. We're going to be covering our new knowledge base and our new ticketing system. These got rolled out this morning. So we're going to have Randy and Anthony talking about these systems and showing them to you. If you have any questions, please type them into the questions area, and we will ask them as we go along. As always, this webinar is being recorded, and we will have it posted up to our site later this afternoon. So if you missed something, you can go back and watch it. And with that, I'm going to turn this over to Brandy.
Thank you, Tracy. Hi, everybody. Thank you for joining us for Webinar Wednesday. Today, we are going to talk about our new MobileSmith knowledge base and the ticketing system. I'm quickly going to go through the knowledge base with you. So to get there, we're going to type in support.mobilesmith.com. And it's going to bring you to the home page of our knowledge base. When you get here, you'll notice over on the left-hand side you have a menu. This menu, you can click on an option, and it can walk you through some information about the knowledge base as far as terminology, any type of specific questions that you may have. For instance, if you would like to know a little bit more about app block types, you can click on that, and it can bring you to the different types of app blocks that we have. If you want to specifically know how to use a certain app block, for instance, I'm going to click on Action Call. It will bring us to a page where we can actually see a little bit more information about the app block, as well as the steps involved into you creating that app block. So, for instance, for an Action Call, we would click Add New App Block, and then it'll take us to the next step of the process for configuration. And then when you get down to the bottom, you'll see where we have related articles on this particular part of the process. Another thing that you can do if you have more specific questions or a specific search, you can come up into the right-hand corner and you can do a search. So if you want to know more about REST, you can type in REST. It'll bring up all the pages in the knowledge base related to that. So I'm going to click on the component REST app block. It's going to bring me to the page where we have more information on component REST, how to get started. You'll notice throughout we also have some videos embedded on previous webinars that we've done, or if you want to find a related article, you can find that here as well. For instance, if you want to know more about connecting pages under how to get started, you can click on that, and it will walk you through. However, if you can't find an answer to the question that you're looking for, you can come back up here to your menu and click on MobileSmith Knowledge Base, and it'll bring you back to our home page, and you can go in to submit a ticket over here on the right-hand side of the screen. And from here, I'm going to hand it over to Anthony to tell you a little bit more about submitting a ticket to the help desk.
All right, thank you, Brandy. My name is Anthony. I'm a client success specialist here at MobileSmith, and now I'm going to walk you through how to submit a ticket to our new ticketing system. So here on the home page of the knowledge base, you're going to click on this link here under Submit a Ticket that says Submit a help desk ticket, and that'll take you to a login screen. So before you can submit a ticket on our new system, you do have to create an account. If you're familiar with our Zendesk platform that we used to use, you were able to submit a ticket without having an account. For this system, you do have to sign up for one, and that will just give you a ticket, and it'll also help you keep your ticket. So all you have to do is just click on all it's going to ask for is your email, your password, and just a full name. And so with this, you have the opportunity to either, in your organization, you can set up a company-wide support desk login, so you guys can all log in under one login and see all the tickets for your organization, or you can have individual accounts for each member in your organization in our ticketing system. So when you do click on sign up for an account, this is the screen that you will see, and from here you can provide your email, provide a password, and then provide your name to create an account. All right, so once you have created your account, you can go ahead and it would actually log you in, but I'm actually going to go back here and log into our sample account here so you can see sort of what that customer screen looks like and how you can view all of your tickets that you've sent in. All right, here we go. So once you log in, you'll come to this sort of help desk portal here. The first thing you'll see is this search bar. So with this search bar, you can actually type in, for an example, REST, and it'll actually crawl our knowledge base and bring up any articles that have the term REST within it. So it's basically giving you another opportunity to search our knowledge base. But if you were unable to get your questions answered or your issue resolved in the knowledge base, you can actually go ahead and click on Support Center Request and create a ticket in our system. So the first thing here is the summary and the description. So for the summary, you can type in something like the REST app log is not working. And you'll notice here on the right-hand side that it would actually, again, crawl our knowledge base and bring up any related articles. All these other options, we have just a description where you can add in all of your details about your issue. You can add in the nature of your request, so my app is not working, my app is crashing, my app looks bad, and so on. You can also add which app block the issue is related to. So you may have a problem with the Flex app block or the Component REST app block or the home screen. You're actually not able to select those and let us know ahead of time. There's also the option to add in which device you're seeing the issue on. So if you're seeing it on iPhone only, Android, or maybe all devices, or maybe it's a platform issue, you can select that here. Our last two fields are also optional fields. You can list the operating system of the devices that you're using and seeing the issue on. And then there's also the download URL, or the actual URL to download the test app or the production app that you're seeing the issue on. Lastly, there is a field here to upload attachments. So if you have screenshots or any type of documents that will help us quickly resolve your issue, you can upload that here. So be as detailed as possible on the screen. So be detailed in the description. Fill out as many fields as possible and upload any videos or screenshots to help us quickly analyze the issue and get a resolution for you. So once you have everything filled in, you can go ahead and click on Create. And I'll go ahead and do that here now. And then you'll be brought to a screen that actually lists all of the details and statuses of the current ticket that you just opened. So we just opened this ticket, so all you're going to see is just the details of it, the nature of the request, the summary, the description. Here on the right-hand side, you can add comments. You can also add attachments, just in case you forgot to upload screenshots or you have screenshots you want to upload. You can do that here. You also see this category called People Involved. So with this new ticketing system, you're actually able to add people to tickets. So let's say, for example, in your organization you have multiple people with accounts in our new ticketing system, and you want them to be added to this ticket just so they can kind of keep up to date in the event that one of the users is absent or that they're on vacation. We can actually add people to view the status of this ticket as well. Over on the right-hand side, you'll also see the reference number or the ticket number. We use most dash whatever the next number for that ticket will be. So most dash 93 is the ticket ID for your request. Here you can also type in comments, so this will go directly to our client success team. You can ask for an update or you can add additional details. That's all right here for you. So if you have multiple requests open, in the top right-hand corner, you'll see the request link here, and you have a number that says 4. So that indicates that I have 4 requests open. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and that'll bring us to the list of all the requests that we have for this account. So you see I have 4 tickets open. You can see their reference numbers here, their summary or their subject, their service desk, which is the MobileSmith support desk here, their status. So this gives you a great example of the different statuses that we have on this new ticketing system. So we have opened, which means that we just opened, or you just opened this ticket, and we haven't had a chance to view it and acknowledge it yet. We have customer confirming. So once we have a ticket resolved, we'll send it back to you to confirm that the issue is resolved on your end. We have a ticket here that's in progress, so that lets you know that we're currently working on your ticket. And there's also a status here for need more information. So in the event that maybe we need more details on your request, we can actually have a status here that says need more information. Now I'm going to go ahead and open one of these tickets so you can see what actual comment log looks like when you're interacting with someone from our client success team. So I'm going to go ahead and open this ticket here that says need more information. So you see from the bottom we have our description and all the other details here. And you'll see the comments that we made from our client support team. Sorry about your issue. We'll look into the issue. And you'll see how the status has changed here, letting you know that it was in progress. And then we noticed that you needed more information. And so you can see those comments here as well. And so like I mentioned before, you can comment right on the screen here. But you'll also receive emails whenever we make status changes or provide comments. You'll also receive them in your email that you signed up with as well. So I'm going to go ahead and switch over to the Gmail that's associated with this account, and you can see some of the emails that we got from the ticketing system here. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this one. You see that it says, sorry, you're seeing an issue. We'll try to resolve as soon as possible. It lets you know the ticket that is associated with here at the bottom. And the cool thing is you can actually reply to this email to create comments as well. So if I were to reply to this email, from my Gmail, the comment will actually populate here in the portal as well. So you have 2 options for commenting on tickets. And you also see here that you can drag and drop files as well. So you can either click on add an attachment, or you can also drag and drop or browse from here as well. So I'm going to go back to my request screen and kind of give you some more details on that here. At the top, you'll see that we're actually on the open request. So when you first come into your account, you're going to see all of your open requests. You can click on this and change it to close to see all of your closed requests as well. You also see the option to view tickets that were either created by yourself or where you are a participant in. So I mentioned earlier that we can add people to tickets. So if you have multiple members in your organization that were seeing the same issue, or you just want to add more people to be involved with certain requests, if you click this drop down here, you can actually change it to see all the tickets that you are currently involved in. And then the last one here is just the request type. This just lets you know that you're on the MobileSmith support system, so you don't have to do anything here with this option. And lastly, we do have a search field here, so hopefully you don't, but if you do have a number of tickets open, you can actually quickly search through any of your open or closed tickets using the search box here. All right, so let's say that you're on this request screen and you actually want to open up a new ticket. You can actually click on the Help Center button here. And then you can click on Support Center Request again to submit a new ticket if you're coming from the, and that's how that works. And that's pretty much it for our new ticketing system. It's very similar to Zendesk as far as how it operates. You know, the fields that you're familiar with are still there. You can keep all of your tickets organized and view, you know, the different statuses and the ongoings with your ticket. And hopefully this will provide a better experience for all of you guys, and then allow us to more quickly resolve your issues as well. So we can go ahead and open up the floor for questions. So if you have any questions, please do type them into the question box on your screen.
All right, so one question coming in is, what about tickets that we have open in Zendesk right now? Will those be moved over automatically, or do we need to open them up here as well?
Yeah, so any tickets that you have opened on Zendesk currently will automatically be moved to our new ticketing system, so you won't have to do anything on your end. What other questions do we have?
All right, so another question coming in is, how do I close a ticket? If I've decided it's ready to be closed, what do I need to do to close that?
Great question. So if you already have a ticket open, let's say, for example, I have this test ticket here, and let's say for some reason you notice that it's no longer an issue, or you want to cancel this ticket, all you have to do is actually just go ahead and write a comment to us letting us know that it's no longer an issue, or you know, it was a mistake or anything like that. Just go ahead and type it into the comments here, and we'll go ahead and close it out for you. Great question.
Let's see. And to confirm, this system is live now. This is where everybody needs to go to open up tickets.
Yes. So this this ticketing system is live right now. So both the knowledge base and ticketing system can be found at support.mobesmith.com. So when you go to that URL, you will be seeing both of these new systems.
All right. When the tickets are moved over for us, do we just let our account manager know what our new account is?
Yes, that's another great question. So when the tickets do get moved over and you open up your new account here on the ticketing system, let your client success rep know, and then they can you know, assign it to your new account accordingly.
Okay. And
Are there any more questions? So we just had a question come in that asks about sort of how to edit your profile on the new ticketing system. So up in the right-hand corner, you'll see that I have my my user profile picture here. If you click on that, you can actually get to your profile, and hopefully it'll you can, you know, edit any of the details here. And on the right-hand side, you can also change your password. So all of that information can be edited or changed here on the My Profile screen. Are there any more questions?
All right, well, thank you so much, Brandy and Anthony, for this great overview of the new ticketing system and the knowledge base. As always, we are going to post this to the Client Success webinar page, so you can go back and view it later, or you can reach out to your Client Success representative if you have any questions or have any issues with the new ticketing system or knowledge base. We would love your feedback, so as you get into it, if you find anything that you want to bring to our attention about it, please let us know so we can address that. Our next webinar will be in 2 weeks. We'll be covering the process around creating a new app from start to finish. So please take a look and sign up for that, or go back to any of the old webinars and view any of the other ones that you would like to see. If you have a suggestion for any webinars that you would like created or done, please let us know and we'll work those into the schedule. Thank you so much, and y'all have a great day.